The Bar Association of Sri Lanka issued a strong statement criticising recent comments by the Minister of Public Security and calling for stringent ethical standards in the selection of the next Inspector General of Police. The BASL condemned the minister's alleged remarks linking lawyers who opposed the acting IGP's appointment to drug traffickers. The BASL emphasised the right to legal representation as a cornerstone of the rule of law and said that threats against lawyers are attacks on the entire legal profession. The statement highlighted the declining public trust in the Sri Lankan police due to issues like lack of independence, political interference, police brutality and custodial deaths. The BSL emphasized the importance of restoring public confidence for effective law enforcement and upholding the rule of law. The BSL unequivocally condemned encounter killings and custodial deaths, calling them violations of the rule of law and fundamental rights. The BASL urged the authorities to appoint the next IGP based on exemplary service, free of any blemish and the ability to restore public confidence. The BASL statement draws attention to a landmark Supreme Court decision delivered on the 14th of December. The judgment, led by Justice S. Thurai Raja alongside Justices Kumudini Wickramasinghe and Priyantha Fernando, ordered the acting IGP and 3 other officers to personally compensate a petitioner whose fundamental rights were violated while detained at the Mirihana police station under the acting IGP's supervision. The Bar Association categorically urges the authorities to disqualify any candidate for the IGP position who has a history of violating fundamental rights or is facing criminal charges or allegations of unlawful activity. The Bar Association called for transparency in the IGP appointment process, urging the government to follow procedures established by the Constitutional Council as per Article 41E of the Constitution. The Colombo High Court Lawyers Association, or the CHCLA, accused the Minister of Public Security Tiran of undermining the role of defence lawyers and the integrity of the judiciary in a recent public statement. The CHCLA vehemently asserts that the defence of suspects, regardless of the charges, is a fundamental constitutional right enshrined in Article 13, guaranteeing due process. The CHCLA argues that the minister's statement unfairly targets defence lawyers, attributing their efforts to defend clients to personal failings rather than upholding their professional duty. They point out that criticising lawyers while overlooking systematic issues within the police department, including accusations of corruption, is disingenuous and undermines the integrity of the legal system as a whole. The statement strongly defends the independence and impartiality of judges, highlighting their dedication to upholding the law and delivering justice without fear or favour. The Colombo High Court Lawyers Association urges the minister to refrain from making any statements that hinder the legal profession's ability to fulfil its duties as enshrined in the Constitution. The Colombo High Court Lawyers Association emphasises the importance of upholding the values of justice, fairness and the rule of law, and warns that obstructing the work of legal professionals can destabilize the very foundation of a democratic society.
President's Counsel Salia Piris commented on the matter.
එතුමාගේ කතාවේ එතුමා ධෛර්යමත් කරන්න උත්සාහ කරා පොලිසියට නීති විරෝධීව පුද්ගලයන්ව ඝාතනය කරන්නයි කියන. ඔව් කතා කරාම එන්කවුන්ටර් කිලින්ග්ස් ගැන. පොලිස් නිලධාරීන් මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ නීති විරෝධී නියෝගවලට අවනත වෙන්න එපා. මොකද කවදා හරි ඔබට විරුද්ධව ඒ නීති විරෝධී නියෝග ක්‍රියාත්මක කරයි කියලා නඩු පවරන දාට ඔය ආරක්ෂා කරන්න ඔය කියන දේශපාලඥයන් ඉහළ නිලධාරීන් ඉදිරිපත් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. නීතිඥවරුන් පිට දොස් පවරන එක නෙවෙයි නිවැරදි දේ. හැබැයි එයි මේ නීතිඥවරුන් ඉලක්ක කරන්නේ ඔය ප්‍රතික්ෂා කරන්නේ. ඒ නිසා තමයි නීතිඥ ප්‍රජාවට පහර දෙන්නේ.